wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best racing drones. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, while the eachine Wizard X220 isn't made for cheapskates, considering that you get a speedy quadcopter and an impressively well-designed remote control, complete with a large crisp monitor for less than it costs to put together a custom kit, it's a pretty decent bargain. It includes spare propellers and a longer flight time than most units. However, there's no altitude hold function. At number 9, for the Rise Vusion 250 Extreme, a modular impact-resistant and FPV-ready design is just part of its charm. It also features a 32GB microSD card slot, a 4.3-inch LCD, and a 3.7-volt 1400 mAh lithium polymer battery for up to 6 minutes of uninterrupted flight time. It comes with a balanced charger too, and offers solder-free repairs and a 50 mph top speed. Coming in at number 8 on our list, topping out at about 60 mph, the immersionrc vortex 285 quad is capable of precision cornering without losing speed, giving it an edge over faster racers that slow down when banking curves. Blanched aluminum lock nuts prevent the rotors from working loose in flight. It's equipped with a foldable airframe and an anti-vibration carbon fiber plate. However, controlling it is a bit tricky for newbies. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for racing drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, playful looking but tough as nails, the Minion-esque Blade Inductrix is equipped with a 25mW video transmitter and a 4.3-inch FPV monitor for tracking the tiny machine's in-flight progress, and high-performance motors compensate for the weight of the onboard camera. It recharges in about 40 minutes and features bi-color LED visibility lighting and a 5 to 7 minutes flying time. Moving up our list to number 6, the Arris X-Speed 280V2 is a wicked fast and responsive quadcopter that's fully loaded to burn up the tracks for as long as 15 minutes on a single charge. Paired with a set of FPV goggles, it offers an exhilarating flying experience for entry-level to advanced operators. It's a crash-resistant design with a 1500 mAh lithium polymer battery. However, note that the charger is sold separately. Halfway up our list at number 5, fully assembled and equipped with an HD camera, flight controller, FPV goggles, and bright LEDs, the MJX Bug 6 comes with everything you need to get started in competitive high-speed flying, giving you the chance to earn your stripes before building your own custom racer. It features 6-axis gyroscopic stabilization, signal loss and low voltage alarms, a crash kit, and spare parts. At number 4, the budget-friendly Holystone HS200 offers an altitude hold function and 1-key automatic return to home, and its rapid recharging 3.7-volt 650 mAh lithium polymer power cell needs only an hour to be fully charged and ready to rip for 7 to 9 minutes. It boasts a headless mode for easy navigation, intuitive smartphone app integration, and gravity sensor movement tracking. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, produced by a company better known for personal transport than unmanned aircraft, the swagdrone is a fast and capable FPV racer with an optional night vision camera for delivering stunning aerial views of the high-flying action in daylight or darkness. It provides an up to 120-degree field of view, a 500-meter transmission range, and a carbon fiber chassis. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for racing drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Holystone HS150 Bolt B is fast, cheap, and good. A combination almost as rare as unicorn farts, which makes it an ideal starter model for those first few heats. It's easy to use, nimble enough to run circles around the competition, and just plain fun to fly. It features smooth and responsive flying, and comes with spare parts and a repair kit, and modular battery packs. And taking the top spot on our list, delivering performance and agility without leaving a giant hole in your wallet. The walkera Rodeo 110 has a sturdy carbon fiber airframe for withstanding high-velocity collisions. Quick swap batteries, flexible rotors, and a modular design make recharging and repairs easy. It's equipped with an efficient brushless motor and a wide-angle HD camera, and is compatible with Fat Shark headsets. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for racing drones, or simply click beneath this video.